Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. Check out my new solar lights in our backyard. These things are the most amazing lights ever. First, they are super easy to install. There's no wires. They're solar powered. So you either use the stake and put them in the ground where you want them, or there's 3 screws and you mount them to wherever you want them for that. They have been amazing to have in our backyard. First of all, I wanted them to light up our basketball court so that our sons could continue playing basketball even after it gets dark. These do an amazing job getting that court to be so bright. It is awesome. It only took 2. The heads are so adjustable. No matter where you install these, you will be able to get them to shine exactly where you want them. They're motion censored, which I love, so I don't have to worry about remembering to turn them on or off. Once they sense motion, they turn on immediately, and once they no longer sense motion for 30 seconds, they'll shut off, so you don't have to worry about bright lights shining all over your yard when you don't want it to be. I've been beyond thrilled with these. They have made it where our kids can play in the play area on the basketball court, and the pathway to my husband's office is so much easier to walk on now at night, now that you can actually see where you're going. So if you are needing some great solar power lights for your yard, I highly recommend these. They are so, so nice. But that's just my point of view.